Here I'm going to give another format, that is format of reply legal notice. We already we already looked at the legal notice, and here we are going to look at format of reply legal notice. So you have to write down the name, that is reply to legal notice, and the client name A, because we send that notice to A, and his address dated uh, by registered post with AD. I already informed you it is mandatory, you have to write it. And then to advocate, this advocate means B's advocate or the person who wrote the legal notice before. In addition, you can also include the B's name, because B is the party. B is one of the party, and obviously advocate acts on behalf of B. Part is the body of reply legal notice, or you can explain that content of the reply notice, legal notice, or you can also explain that as a justification that whether Mr. A did fulfill his work or not. So that's why you will start with written statement of your legal notice, and date is another important part. I already informed you that proper time, date and place is very important for a legal notice, and also important for a reply legal notice. Then you will start with I act on behalf of your client, and you means advocate, and you will give details of your clients, everything, that is age, father's name, occupation, NID, address, everything. And you will inform our above client has received your legal notice and instructed us to reply to your legal notice as follows. Why you are giving the written statement you explained here. And then this line, the number 1 line, it is very important, that is that having pursued the same notice, it appears that you are fully misled by your client. The content of the same notice is false, fabricated, and hence denied by our client. So it is the most common, and you can add this line, and you firstly you confirm that that your client did not do did not do all the obligation which made by which made by B. And then you will give the justification why you are arguing that whatever be informed or whatever be wrote in his legal notice, that is fabricated or that is false, and your justification will be written down here, and you should start with that is formalities. We always use the word that. Then, so you are heartily requested to notice this matter to your client for his kind information. So you informed him that whatever you wrote into your legal notice, that is not right, and please inform uh, your client. Your client means Mr. B. And this is the last part, or formalities, and you have to write down a copy of the legal notice and reply legal notice is retained in my office for record and further necessary action. And I already informed you means advocate, so you have to put down the advocate's signature, advocate's name, seal. Name is not important here or mandatory here because you already mentioned the name, so you can it is optional for you. You can, if you want not to write it down here, so you cannot, depends on your wish. And next point is copy to, and copy to means I already informed you without a if you want to send any other person, you have to inform here. If you will write down their name, occupation, relation, or occupation and office address, that will be good for you, and it will be better. Everyone will know why you send them. So that's all for midterm. Hopefully very soon we will meet by Google Classroom. If you have any question, please feel free to ask me on Google Classroom as consultation hour. Because of midterm week is coming on, so please make sure you are watching all the videos, you are reviewing all the videos, you are doing your homeworks, and if you have any questions, then please ask me in our consultation hour, and try to evaluate yourself how much did you learn from the videos, and how can you answer all the questions of midterm and quiz also. So thank you again. We will meet very soon. Thank you.